If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To require data entry within a table field in Access when entering a new record, set the Required Field property in the selected field in the table's design view to the Yes value. You can set the required field property for a selected field in the table's design view in Access to either yes or no, to either require entry into the field or not. Setting this field property to the yes value is handy for fields where you want users to at least enter something into the field instead of skipping the field's data entry. To set whether data entry in a field in an Access table is required or not, select the table to open in Design View within the navigation pane. Then press the Ctrl+Enter keys on your keyboard, or right-click it in the navigation pane, and then select the Design View command from the pop-up menu to open the table in Design View. Then select the field to make a required field in the Design Grid at the top of the tabbed window. In the Field Properties section at the bottom of the window, select the General tab if needed. Then click into the Required Field property, and then click the drop-down arrow that appears at its right end. To make the field a required field for data entry in Access, select the Yes choice from the drop-down menu that appears. Alternatively, to make the field an optional field for data entry, select the No choice from the drop-down menu. When you are done, save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.